It's like having a virtual chalkboard, but so much better. With the Vibe board, I can swipe through, add notes, even sketch directly on a slide if I need to explain something further. I can pause a project video, sketch over to show key elements, and then save it all to come back to it later.
The writing tool feels as natural as a pen on paper, which keeps me connected to my ideas. Everything is here in one place, from idea to final design. The Vibe board has boosted my productivity and allowed me to stay focused on what really matters: designing and creating.
The best part about this experience is the fact that you can do all of this together with your collaborator. You can make annotations on the Bluebeam review. You can touch on the board to navigate through or orbit around your 3D model. Multiple people can join the session and basically make annotations on the go, and you should be able to see all of them at the same time.
This has without a doubt been a game changer by allowing not only yourself and your team, but also the people visiting the office to be able to present. We can annotate 3D models very easily. Here we use SketchUp to annotate and show changes we've made on the property. We can explain to the client or whoever we're working with at the time, the site and any other details that we might want to present. It creates a more interactive conversation.
We have clients that don't just want to visualize things in their minds, they want to see it on paper, they want to see the details. The Vibe board has really helped us put that into reality.
We're able to actually give them a visual of what that's actually going to look like inside of this house.
It's allowed us to pinpoint issues, to really resolve confusion.
The Vibe board makes everything clear. Whether it's reviewing 3D models or accessing GIS data, we can evaluate land and outline plans before even stepping on site. It's a game changer for client confidence and clarity on their project. The Vibe board is more than a tool. It's how we bring ideas to life, connect our team, and ensure every project is a success.